All right, so this is a video I didn't think I would ever be making. I'm about to open a brand new Roll Design bumper for a Banshee. Roll Design doesn't have these listed on their website at all. Obviously, they do sell them. I actually got a phone call yesterday from a buddy, shout out Matt. He called me, he's like, hey, I just got off the phone with Jed from Roll Design. They have Banshee bumpers in stock. So I bought one. I talked to Jed for a couple minutes on the phone, and this is here the next day. So shout out to Roll Design, shout out to Jed for getting this in the mail, shout out to UPS delivering on a Saturday. Let's see what we got here. Oops. I've never seen this bumper in this kind of aluminum finish before. One of my buddies, Ernie, has a black one on his Banshee. I've seen that one in person, but I've never seen this one in this colorway that I got. So it's just kind of like the raw aluminum finish. I was pretty tempted. I was very tempted to get the black one because it goes with my A-arms, you know, that kind of like almost like a wrinkle black or textured black, I guess. But I went with this. Whoa. And let's pop it open here. So yeah, I haven't seen one of these for sale ever before, because if you look right now on the Roll Design site, like I said, they don't have them on there. These are kind of common in other quads like YFZs and stuff, and a couple guys have these on their Banshees, but this is sweet. This is literally brand new out of the packaging. Got a few stickers here. Some black, some white, bonus orange. But we'll get back to that. If you know these bumpers, you definitely can tell that it's missing something right here. But I actually have one of those somewhere around here. Let's see. There's one. You can see right here, this thing, it actually is a complete insert for these bumpers. I'm not gonna use that, but what you can do, and again, shout out to Matt, he's the one that discovered this. This is another one that I've already taken off of a different one. This is just kind of stuck on there with adhesive. What I'm gonna do is, oh, this is sweet. This is just I can just remove this. I thought this was a rivet. So this is gonna go just like that and be, that's cool. That's sweet. I thought I was gonna have to drill that out and then re-rivet it, but I'm not. That looks freaking good. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I like my Duncan bumper on my quad. I think that bumper, I love that Duncan bumper. Let's just put it that way, but here we go. I think we'll put this on and check it out. We'll see. Need a hand. Looks pretty dang good. Should we check out how that looks? I don't know if I have the hardware. Yeah, I still have the hardware. Because the Duncan hardware is different. But anyway, let's check, let's pull up the Banshee. I'm YouTubing here. Anyway, guys, let's go to the next, don't forget to like and subscribe. No, just kidding. I like it though, it looks good. It's a brand new bumper, all right. Wasn't sure if I should go black just to have a little different looking bumper, since I already have a nice I already have a couple nice aluminum bumpers really, but I don't know. I like aluminum bumpers, I guess, so. It is cool to have this one though in the lineup. It's probably just gonna go on the shelf for now. I think I am gonna continue running the Duncan bumper, but I had the opportunity to buy this, and it's just something that I haven't seen for sale ever, so had to buy it. How about that? I actually kind of really like this. It makes the quad look really tough, or like really like desert, Baja, badass looking. That other bumper, you know, I love the Duncan bumper, and I'm probably gonna put that back on this quad right now. Maybe not, I don't know. I will run that bumper. I think that bumper kind of belongs on this quad, but this one looks sick. I actually love it. So I'll change them out. Forget what I just said. I'll rotate them both. I really like this. This looks sick. Fits a lot different. Really like hugs the front end of the quad. So it makes the quad look way freaking different. But there it is. I think that'll just be a quick little video. I haven't been on YouTube in months and months. The last time we did that Dean Sundahl Alba Banshee, and I haven't been riding, but I need to get out to Glamis and ride and have some fun. So I will probably be doing that pretty soon here. Maybe even in some days. We'll see. Maybe this week. No. But yeah. Quick video just saying what's up to everyone. Really rad bumper. Like and subscribe if you like Banshees and all that good stuff. Good to see you guys.